In a primetime news follow-up, this evening we examine the contents of a letter from extortionists which caused work on a section of the multi-billion-dollar Southern Coastal Highway project in St. Thomas to stop over the weekend. Krista Campbell visited the work site today, where work resumed yesterday, and the detectives from the Counter-Terrorism and Organized Crime Unit, CTOC, have started investigations.
One sheet of paper that caused a section of the multi-billion-dollar Southern Coastal Highway in St. Thomas to shut down on the weekend.
You could call it a job letter of sorts, because in it, the author or authors demanded protection money from the contractors. Now, TVJ News has been informed that two men hand-delivered the letter at gunpoint to a project manager. It reads,
Mr. Man and Mr. Man, welcome to our program. If I refuse to work with our plan, you and Mr. Man will have a contract in Trinityville, and your life will be at risk in the next 48 hours. We need $100,000 every 2 weeks, and your work can flow in peace. Now, as I get our invoice, we're going to call you on your phone in the evening, and we'll do business from there, Mr. Man. You live far away, so if you refuse to, we're going to kill Mr. Man and two of the workers and close the work site, Mr. Man.
The contractor immediately stopped work on the 9.5 kilometer of roadway from Georgia to Cedar Valley in St. Thomas on Friday. And despite a warning from the extortionists that the police not be contacted, the matter is now in the hands of detectives from the Counter-Terrorism and Organized Crime Unit, CTOC. CTOC investigators were in the area today, and head of the St. Thomas Police, Superintendent Alison Byfield, says police patrols have been beefed up.
We'll deprive other areas of security personnel to put personnel in that area. But in dialogue with my senior officers, we are trying to get more police personnel in the division so we can properly and adequately police the projects.
A worker we spoke with today says he's not convinced the extortionists mean business, but the letter was enough to cause fear and concerns. It ends by saying,
If you guys work with us, everything will go good. Mr. Man and Mr. Man, me now waste no oxygen and carbon dioxide upon you guys. A corporation or slaughteration, big money or big funeral for you.
Now the police say it's the first such incident since the highway project has been underway over the past year. There are no active gangs operating in St. Thomas, and there was only one murder in Trinityville last year. Meanwhile, a resident says he's concerned about how such an action could affect economic developments in the area and the parish as a whole.
The best we're going to do is try to get some of the work. And when the road is fixed, we will be able to make money. We can put up a stall here or a stall there. You understand? Tourists will be passing through.
It is a blow to residents of the area because they are earning from the project. So it is a blow for these residents, and also a blow to the police because to provide better roadway for us to drive on to police the area.
Krista Campbell, TVJ News.